Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching. So today I just have a quick get ready with me. I'm headed to a Christmas party at a friend's house, and it's kind of just like a potluck where we all bring stuff, and it's Christmas themed. So I'm getting ready for that right now, and I just thought I would bring you guys along with me. So here we go. So first I did put my hair up in this high ponytail. I didn't want to get like too much into hairdos or like try and get my hair to do something, so I just pulled it up and it's in a high ponytail. So now I have my foundation on, and now I will move on to my eyeshadow and my lipstick, or not lipstick. So this is the City palette that you've seen in many of my other videos. I'm just going to start out with this brown color, and I do my eyeshadow and my makeup with my fingers. Anyone who's watched my videos knows that. I still do that. But I'm going to try and use like blues and browns, like a dark blue and then this brown color here. You'll see later the dress that I'm going to wear is a kind of bluish color. And for the potluck, I'm just bringing I'm bringing a gluten-free pizza. One of my friends can't eat gluten, so I figured gluten-free pizza because I have a feeling that most people are going to bring sweet things like cupcakes or something, and she likes to bake, so I figured she'd probably bake something, and then I will have something that's like more food-like than dessert-like. So that was my logic. So I want the blue to be on like the outside more than on the inside. And I'll smooth it more later, and then I'm going to put the same sparkle that I always put on the inside of my eyes. I'm looking to get some like brighter colors. I have a lot of like muted tones, but I don't know, this season I'm kind of in the mood for brighter colors. Okay, so I'm also adding purple. I had a brown base, and I'm adding purple to like the inside a little bit, like so that it will blend in a little bit. And then now I'm gonna put the gold. I have this gold color. Yes, this gold color, not that gold color, this gold color. And I'm going to put it on the inside corners of my eyes. I just like doing that. I feel like it kind of opens up my eyes a little bit more, makes me look more awake. This is just a Wet n Wild dark brown. Yes, dark brown. I can never get this, like the hairs don't grow in between here, and I can't get it right. So instead of filling it in, which will make it look really dark, I just kind of leave it. I fill it in a little bit, but like there's really not much I can do. I feel like unless you have really thin eyebrows, it's just more important that the eyebrows stay like groomed than for them to be like completely drawn in. Because like it really, you know, I think it's just more about, I feel like with my eyebrows, it's just more about them being like in a nice line. This is also Wet n Wild Mega Volume. I'm not doing eyeliner today. Just, you know, it's like a midday Christmas party, not like a nighttime one, so I don't really feel like having like that heavy of makeup on. I like to get my eyelashes to dry a little bit, and then I curl them after, because I feel like when I don't put the mascara on them and then I curl them, but sometimes they don't really curl. And I ran out of my clear mascara, which I sometimes like to put on before I put on regular mascara, but I ran out, so. Okay, so this is my finished makeup look, and my hair is also already done because I just did ponytail. And now I will go and find my outfit. I think I know what I'm gonna wear.